Hi everybody, my name is Chris Judge and I'm an author and an illustrator and I make children's books. You might know some of them, and I really love making books and I love setting myself other projects. So recently I've been working on a really fun project where I like to go out and take photos of clouds, and then I like to see if I could find something strange and unusual in them and then draw directly onto them. So I'd love to do it with you guys every day this week. You can download the images from rte.ie/learn. So let's have some fun. So today I'd like to draw a spooky Halloween cloud with you. So the first thing I look for when if I want to make something specific, like kind of Halloween theme, I want to find something that will be a similar shape to what I have in my head. So for this one I went for kind of a roundy shape. We start off with two triangles and then a triangle nose. And people draw different pumpkins different ways. Some people draw evil eyes. I like to draw kind of more of a happy pumpkin like this. And mine is a big smile. I know some people do really scary ones, but I always like the kind of classic looking pumpkin. So we give him a nice smile. He's still got sharp teeth, but he's got a nice smile. Just going to colour this in a little bit. And of course, most pumpkins have a stalk on the top of their head, so I think it'd be nice to add in the green stalk. Now, our stalk. A nice big chunky green stalk on the top. Okay, so I want to add in something else. I think the ultimate kind of extra decoration would be a bat. So a bat's pretty simple. It's just a little round head at the top. And then two wings, and it's got these kind of, what would you call them, webbed wings. So they're actually big long fingers on bats. So once you start looking at creatures, especially mammals, you realise that, you know, 2 ears, 2 eyes, a nose, mouth, and the wings are actually like our arms and like our fingers. So there's 2 bats there. We'll add in something else. I think a couple of stars would be nice. So most people have different ways of drawing stars. As you can see here, mine are a little bit wonky. If you spend time though on yours, they'll look a lot better, I think. And so there we go. There's our pumpkin in the sky. I'm sure if we saw something like that over your house, you'd be genuinely terrified. Thanks a million for drawing along, everybody. That was great fun. So I would love to see all your own cloud drawings. So look up at the sky, take some photos and draw all over your clouds and send them in to rte.ie/learn. Can't wait to see them.